Hi guys, let me give you at least one video how to migrate from ROM, from toml to ROM. And by doing that, I go to the themes here. This one is okay. This one is just from an old, the previous video. Candy is okay, and Demon Nemesis are okay. All the toml things are gone. They are called ROM things now. Okay. There is another way of writing these things. So I'll show you how to change your own personal theme. You can of course compare, right? It would be very easy to just go to GitHub and see what I changed to this particular theme or that particular theme, and you see the changes in GitHub. Just go down the history. But how do I change it, right? It's okay. First I always start with LTUpd, which is Leftwm update. It's an alias. I don't like to type a lot of things. So let's go. So these guys are not from us. I'm not gonna change those guys. It's not for me, right? Candy is from us. Arise is from us. He still knows he's also the thing I just killed here. So Doki is the one. LT install Leftwm install me Doki. So that's the next one I'm gonna fix. So Doki is in here. It has a toml. Okay, toml is not okay. It's simple. Enter, click. And at the end as well, you close it. You open it and you close it. You select these guys, Control H, and you say that all these guys are double points. You replace all. This is sublime text, which means it's magic. I press right mouse click and shift. Right, like this, comma. And I delete this line. Voila, done. Well, not that one, of course. Save. This is a ROM file. So up here, close beginning, how do you say, bracket? Yeah, bracket, that's the word. Open bracket, close bracket, and then here. All that is super. And then, of course, you don't save it as toml, you save it as ROM. But that I can do later. So close all files like this. Yeah, close without saving. That was the awesome thing. So theme toml becomes theme ROM. Simple. Rename. Now this only works, guys, if you update, right? Update your system. If you have a fully up-to-date system, then sudo pacman -s leftwm dev git. You've got this version 666. Remember the number of the devil, right? So that's the one that's gonna work. Okay. Now this is gonna work if I tell it to activate. Now I want to be sure. I'm gonna AG this thing, toml, and then you see, oh my God, there are more tomls in this system. So I need to go back in to up, and there's the scripts and the scripts. Okay. So first of all, up. Control F, and then you go down the line. Again, guys, this is set to be Belgium. Only Belgium will change and all the rest will stay. So keyboard things are important. This is also keyboard related. Key bindings. You launch whatever you like to launch. Okay, and then PyChem, you can make some experimental stuff if you want to. But here we are. This has to change, and toml has to go. Theme ROM is the name now. Control S and save. And all the rest can stay. Super Q. We close it. Arrow up. So we have here, the Azerty, forgot that one. So the Azerty keys. Control find Azerty keys. So anything that's showing the toml thing has to become, we can of course Control H this thing and find toml and then replace it. So replace one of them, replace another one of them, replace this one, and now we're good. Find, nothing anymore. Control S, save. This is how you check your work again. Again, up. And then there seems to be a script in there. It's called color dark S. Where my polybar, sorry, polybar. In polybar in scripts there is this one and this one. So color dark sh, Control H, Control find, toml, where are you? Ah, yeah. So we need to get the not theme toml, but theme rom, save. And of course we can do a find here. Leftwm, this is unimportant, this is just a text, but nevertheless. So find and then Control H, replace, find, done. Nothing more to find. Okay, save. That's color dark sh, colors light sh, Control find, toml, find, and then Control H, replace, find, nothing, Control S, save. Arrow up, another one that is okay now. Now a little bit of technicality, a little bit of GitHub knowledge here. So this is Doki, okay. Doki is in a certain GitHub. So Leftwm Doki. So this is wrong, this is good, right? So Control H, don't do anything with the git things, Control H. So if I can copy paste this over here, that would be great. Yes. So Control A, Control C. Of course you need to test this out, so before I make a copy paste, I'll probably do an LTA apply Doki. Let's have a look. So this is Doki and it's working. And then let's do a super shift R again. This, oh yeah, this is the coloring, so the red is the coloring for this. Okay. What I was thinking, if the code is valid, you put it on line. So Control A, this is valid code, Control C. On the GitHub, Control A, Control V, well, the Control A was not necessary. Replace all. And this is the thing, right? Theme toml has to go. And theme rom is here, and just that one has to, well, is making up the theme. The tomls have to go. Simple as that, anywhere. So you can check again here as well. AG toml, good copy paste, right? So the technical bit about GitHub, probably in here somewhere, because I always tend to forget, so I just go up. This one. Git remove. I want to have the Git, so the Git file, this one and that one are maintenance files. And it's okay if it's there, but it's, right, it's not necessary. So with a git ignore, Control C, dot git ignore. So I'm gonna copy paste it from arise. So that's a cleanup bit. And I go to Doki here, Control V. That was already there. So replace. It says actually if there is a 9 file, which there is not, right? But if it's there, don't put it online. If there is a git file, yes, check, then don't put it online. If there is a setup or git credentials, don't set it online, and all the rest you need, right? This is just maintenance for GitHub. So git remove cached git version 3. Where are you? Git version 2. Okay, he's out. And the other one was remove cached setup. Did not match any. That's strange. Did not match any files. Did I type something wrong? Maybe it's already out, probably. So then we do git. So it stays here. It is on your machine. It stays on your machine, thank God. But it's not going to be pushed online. And all the rest of the code is. Update to 4.0, right? So create mode theme run. Theme toml is out. gone. And that's one other theme that we've changed. So this is Doki. You can have a look at it. Do you like it? It's still the menu of XFC, so it's partially, well, getting to know a tiling window manager. So you still have the menus. If you don't know the applications yet by name, then you can't do Super Shift D and go type it, right? Git find and launch it if you don't know the names. So with this menu, you can still have the feeling of a desktop. So okay, was it okay? Oh, GPIC, it was GPIC, right? You can launch it here as well. Voila, that's it for me. Another theme that has been migrated to ROM. Yep, I don't think I forgot anything. So there you go, and have a look at your own themes. If you have made copy pastes of our themes and then enhanced some things, right? Then you have to dive into the code again and say, okay, let's go to this version 4. All right, cheers.